Okay, guys, look what we got over here. Another one of those alarm clocks. This one is from USCCE, and they were nice enough to send it to me for my honest review for you. Actually, you would be that way or this way. Well, you know what I mean over here. So, obviously, I am the alarm clock champ. I know all the pros and cons and the bells and the whistles and what's good for you and what's good for me. All right, enough with the hand gestures over here. So first of all, you can see this looks very sleek. This is actually a wood alarm clock. Knock on wood. Sounds like wood to me. So it has a really nice wood finish all around, which looks pretty cool, and along with all the modern day bells and whistles that you would want from your alarm clock. So let's start at the top. We got this really nice dial, and you can actually feel the little clicks and ticks. It moves really easy peasy. It's also got the snooze button right in the middle. See if you can hear it. Pretty cool little hand there. Give you a hand. And no more like pushing the buttons to change the alarm time. You go to 12 and oops, I missed it. Now I got to go all the way back, keep tapping it, holding it. No, just use the dial. Go left and right, nice and easy. And we also got the volume control right up top. Very easy and convenient. Some of the older models will have the volume in the back and you got to keep going around and do peekaboo. Nah, not over here. So then we got the radio button, nice and easy. We got the time set right there. You can also have the sleep timer set with the radio. An alarm clock 1, alarm clock 2, electric boogaloo. All right, then we look at the front. The screen is very nice. I would say it's super clean, obviously. But as far as the numbers, they're nice, big, bold. They're either white or bluish. I'm not sure which is showing up on the video over here. So the features that I like a lot that alarm clocks don't have, it actually has the day of the week. Yes, it is Saturday, and it's showing a Saturday. The other thing which is unique is it has the temperature down here. 77.9 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty cool having the indoor temperature, and in the back jack you can set it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. Then we look over here a little closer. Alarm clock 1, alarm clock 2. Got the one on and the one off. Pretty convenient. We can see them both. And let's take a look-see in the back scene. See what we got. We got a nice big speaker. And it does sound pretty good, guys. I like the bigger speaker. And then we got the settings in the back jack. And so this is either going to be a pro or con somebody. Say if you're a banker or a high school student or teacher, you want your alarm clock set Monday to Friday. You can do that. You can set it actually all week, Monday to Sunday, or just on the weekend. But it's going to be set for that time every day. So if you have a job where your hours switch, well, then this might not be the perfect alarm clock for you. But if you got the steady hours every day, bam, Monday through Sunday, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you're good. You set that baby and you're up. And say you got a kid who has to wake up an hour before you, or you have to wake up an hour before your kid. All right, we'll set alarm 1, maybe at 7 a.m., and then alarm 2 at 8 a.m. for them. Really convenient. We got the dimmer, which controls, the clock in the front. We got the high and the low. We can actually put in some headphone jacks, guys, and listen to some tunes. So no more disturbing your neighbor or your partner. You pop on the headphones and blame it on the rain, baby. Gotta blame it on something. You can listen to your Milli Vanilli like my boy Stevie Hicks used to. All your favorite tunes without disturbing the peace. So let's turn this baby on. Or is it on? Obviously it's on. But let me show you some more of the features, guys. How about the alarm clock over here, guys? So you want to set the alarm? Just push it off and on. That easy to turn it off and on. So if you want to actually change it, we're going to hold it in. You can see it blinks, and then we set it. Here's where the dial comes in handy. Nice and easy to set the time. Anything you want. See, once we get to 12, then it goes to PM. And by the way, we can set this clock for 12 or 24-hour setting, military time, at 10, hut, whatever you want. And then you push it again. Then we do the minutes. And then we do the sound. Let's hear the sounds, guys. We got 6 different sounds over here. Okay, guys, and here is the bird sound. You can hear the birds chirping. We can have the volume higher. Goes up to 16 max. And then we can go lower. Now it sounds nice and clean, but I think the birds stop a little short. It just keeps recycling. I'd probably like it to go on just a little longer, but again, birds sound nice and relaxing. Let's see what else we got. A little piano going on. Oh, piano with birds in the background. And this would be the radio. Although I stopped short with the radio because I don't want to hear some Milli Vanilli copyrights or Vanilla Ice and they take me down. So here's the regular standard buzzer beater, number 1. Alright, so here's the straight up piano. Now that's nice and clean and goes on a long time. I like that. And there's the little standard alarm with the bells, I guess, that would go all crazy, silly, rocking each other. That's the third option, and then you guys heard the rest again. And then you set your alarm, and there you go. You got it set. So we're liking that. Same thing with alarm clock 2. To set the time, it's nice and easy. Push the time button. Hold it in. You can see it's blinking. Well, what time? 2 o'clock. All right, that sounds good. Go over to the minutes. 23, 24. Oops, I missed it. Well, I'll just go back to. No more tapping the button a million times, guys. All that. And then we got the radio. I don't want to play the radio again for copyright reasons. You know, I don't want this video to be taken down. But I will say, you know, I've reviewed a lot of different alarm clocks. The sound is good on this. I've had alarm clocks only have 5 stations, believe it or not. And I've had some have 30. With this one, I think I got about 17. Some sound crystal clear, and some have a little static. But between the both, you have a good amount of options. I live in the LBC, Lower Bucks County, of course, 40 minutes outside of Philly. So some of the stations come in perfect, some very slight static. Maybe I'm getting some New Jersey stations, I don't know. But either way, I like it. And it has a good speaker in the back. So I think I included everything, guys. We'll do a little 360 action over here. We can extend the antenna as well. Maybe that'll help pick up more stations. But again, pretty cool alarm clock. I do recommend it. I forgot to mention is it has 2 USB ports on the bottom. Uno, dos. Very convenient. You can charge your cell phone. You can charge your tablet. You charge whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed the review, guys. I'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase it on Amazon, you know. And please give my video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Rate it. Share it. Subscribe. All that good stuff. And guys, if I don't see you, Merry Christmas from I Am Groot.